So let's start working with the database connection for this project. Here I'm going to create a new folder called inc for includes. Then we're going to create a new file called db.php. Here I'm going to save the connection to the database. I'm going to add a variable called db. This is the way that you create variables in PHP. And then we're going to set this to new MySQL I. And this is a class. We're creating a new class, a new instantiation of this class. And it's going to be stored in this db variable. This will be an object. But this one takes 4 parameters. The first one is the host. So we're going to use localhost. We're working locally. You can see we have a localhost right here. Next, we're going to add the username and the password. If you're using MAMP, root and root will be fine. If you're using WAMP in Windows, maybe the password should be empty. And if you're using Bitnami, the password and the user that you set up when you was installing the tool should be the ones that you have to add right here. So next you add the database. You can see it's Carolina _ spa. So this will create the connection. Next we're gonna add if db, and we have connect error. In case that we have any error, we're gonna append, or we're gonna add that error to this error variable. And this will be equals to db connect error. The value that we receive is going to be saved into this variable. So this is the way that you make the connection. So next, let's open the index and let's scroll right here where we have the products. You can make some space right here. And we're gonna, in the index, we have 4 different products. You can remove 3 of these. We're gonna print this using PHP. So right here, we're gonna add the code to make the SQL. So first I'm gonna add something called the PHP block right here first. Then we're gonna add something called the try catch. We're gonna make the connection here, and if we have any problem, we're gonna catch the error right here in this section. So next we're gonna require once, and here I'm looking for inc or includes / and we want to open the db.php. So we're including this file. There is something different between require once and include. The main difference is that the require once, if it doesn't open this project, will cancel the execution of this project. In the case of the include, it will only print a warning in the screen. So here on the catch, we have the exception. In case that this connection doesn't happen, we're gonna add error equals to e get message. So in case that we have any error, we're gonna catch the error and we're gonna assign this to the error variable. So if you make the query and you don't see any results, you can add echo error to check what is the error. So let's save this and reload. And you can see that everything is fine. So the connection, this require, is working. If you have a white screen at this time, make sure that you check out this syntax or this one in the DB. Make sure that you don't have any errors. So in the next video, we're gonna create the query to the database. So see you in the next video.